In this video, we're making these Meltaway cookies, which are perfect to make for Christmas. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, to your flour, add in the corn flour and mix it until it's well combined. Then in another bowl, add in the butter and the sugar and mix with a spatula till combined, and then beat with a whisk until it's light and fluffy. Then you're going to add in the flour mixture little by little until it comes together. Finally, you can switch to your hands and just mix until the dough comes together. Then you're going to scoop out the dough using a teaspoon and just roll it into a ball and then place it on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Repeat this and keep the cookie balls 1 inch apart. Finally, you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Now this is optional, but once they are out of the oven, you can dust them with some red and green glitter for some nice Christmas touch. And then you can serve them and enjoy. These absolutely melt in your mouth and taste buttery and delicious. I really hope you try these out this Christmas, and I'll be back with new recipes. Bye!